Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I am here at Morrisonville Septic for the second year in a row. We are off to a huge music festival and we're gonna clean some porta potties. Stay tuned.
Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna try.
This is really, there's no way we're gonna get them. It's 8:11 right now.
This is how packed this place is.
See, I'm gonna teach you how to vlog.
There we go.
You're gonna be famous.
I don't even know how to use a computer.
Alright, see, look at that, you're vlogging.
Look at that, Jesus.
Look at that.
I'm a star.
You're a star?
Can I video this woman here?
Lots
You want to turn around and pull your doors down here a little bit? Oh, yeah, okay.
I think this is not bad. So right now we are walking up because there is traffic on both sides trying to get into the festival, and right now we can't get into the festival, so that's kind of a problem as we're the ones that are trying to clean the poop.
We get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And
What's happening right now? I don't even know. They're saying that the big truck can't come through. All of a sudden it's our fault. Yep, but it's not. No, we'll figure it out. We're gonna go for it.
someday we will look back and our hearts will I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now.
She totally just sucked up a condo. Things you don't put in the porta potty. We've also sucked up a beer can and a sock. Things again that you don't put in the porta potty. Not those, sir. Not those. Not those. Over here. Over here. Got that on the vlog.
'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we
Let's put a tampon in the urinal. That's a great idea.
are old and gray, look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night.
Yeah! The highlight of my life!
The summer night, the summer night. Someday we will know.
I guess I probably shouldn't be chewing gum on my vlog, huh? Sorry. Minty fresh while I smell poop.
the day we go bottoms up.
According to concert, oh, I sound like I'm drunk. All this beer we're sucking up the potties must be rubbing off on me.
If you head on
So
down,
according to concert goers, they're calling us the yellow belly swallows. That's right. Woo! Smell that. Someone got it. Ooh, I know, I just said ooh. Someone said it. Woo! Getting high in the porta potty.
Throw me in open water, let me have my pace, and leave me till tomorrow. tomorrow, wind into myself, away from things I've let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way, and face that shit another day. We go bottoms up.
Alright guys, so there you have it, a day in the life of people that pump porta potties. Stay tuned for another video very, very soon. This is terrible lighting. I'm gonna have to do it again. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So for the second day, festival that has a shit ton of porta potties. Crap, I swore again. That needs to be cleaned. They don't really do drugs at this festival, do they? It's like a drug-free zone, right? Music festival, drugs? No.